For anchoring applications in coastal and corrosive environments, you need an anchor that offers high performance and superior corrosion resistance. Introducing the innovative, high-performance stainless steel Titen HD screw anchor from Simpson Strong Tie. It's the next era of screw anchors. Our patented design uses the combination of a long-lasting 300 series stainless steel shank and a hardened carbon steel serrated thread section to facilitate cutting. This ingenious solution gives you the strength to drive into concrete with ease, while also delivering superior corrosion resistance that will help keep your project safe and strong for years to come. The state-of-the-art stainless steel Titen HD screw anchor. Drill it, drive it, forget it. Learn more at strongtie.com/TitenHDSS.